That's playing somewhere. It's not supposed to be. Still playing somewhere. Right here. Supposed to be muted. Been doing this for long enough, right? Been doing it long enough. It's too much electricity with the mining going around. It's buzzing with the TVIX and everything is just buzzing crazy today. I'll show you exactly what happened in the MOJO Day Trade room. Let's scoot on over there. Welcome, YouTube. Adam. Dude, didn't have you in class last night. You would have seen me call the Dow down 500. Got a little inspiration. You know? You'll meet him today. You know, absolutely. So let me see what I got here. Oh, here we go. You're all ready, bud? Yeah? All right. That's a good song. That's a good song. Tommy, what you think of that? I love that. I called the Dow again to drop a lot. It did. We bet a lot of money. High five. High five. High five. Holy crap. Wait till you see. My name's Tommy. Wait till you see what I did and the amount of money that I made telling everybody, yay, the Dow's gonna drop. Check it out. Ooh, my computer's wacky kabacky. It's wacky tobacco today. It's not wacky tobacco day, but my computer's wacky. Let me show you what we did here this morning. Freaking the best. So last night, I called the Dow. Let me get in my class from last night going. I taught MOJO University. I have to go to the recording. Where is it? MOJO University. Here it is. Class 4. Right here. So check this out. This is I taught MOJO University last night. Right here. Just keeping track of my school. That's my risk-reward ratio. It goes down. What's at the end? Is insurance food deal multi-million-dollar business? That's so simple. Everyone who's done it knows. Watch. We got to realize. Watch what he does when he food deal. Or they one good kick at the end on the third one. Look at this move. I'll leave it on there. With everything. Right here. Enough said there. Okay? That's up here. Now, big red. When was the last time the market was down 500 points in a day? It's been quite some time. Do you know why it hasn't done that? It's the same reason we got a 25 million share runner in the MOJO room every morning. Because the thing starts out with 500,000 at 9 o'clock. And at 9:30, it's trading 1 million shares. And it's going to
be a huge mover because the volume at the end of the day is going to be humongous. And that's what happens with everything. If it opens up only a nickel, on light volume, ain't going to do much. Where I'm going with this, good question. The stock market, it hasn't opened down 100 points on the open in months. Once it opens up and it's down 100, it'll be down 500 on the day. It'll come back to like 80, 70, and then it'll go flush to 150, and then an avalanche is going to come in. It's going to go down 500 points. TVIX and UVXY will be up 20% in a day. UV will go to 11 and 12 right through this break, and TVIX will follow it to 55, 60, and then go to 100.
Yep.
Do you see? And the market's going to go down and test 22,700 stopping stations, just like Ethereum did. Mark my words. Then all these day trading rooms will get flushed out.
Like today.
Everyone will lose all their money.
Like today.
And we'll continue to trade TVIX and UV because we know the market's down 100, UV's only up 3%. It's got 17% to go.
And I said that. Now look, TVIX, it was only up 3%. It's up 20%. This is the move that we did this morning from 37 to 43 on TVIX. And that's what I was talking about in MOJO University, class 4 last night at the end.
Today. You know how much money we're going to make there, dudes? And it's happening very soon. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be crazy?
Wouldn't that be crazy?
Talk about it tonight.
And it did. It happened today. And I spoke about it last night.
My words.
I teach MOJO U, and I give you big winners. That was in the last class of MOJO U last night. Amazing. So let's show you what we did today. Came in this morning at 9:30. And by the way, I got that super chat down there, guys. Anybody want to click that super chat and feel free to tip the dealer? Go right ahead. I've been making money left and right all day. It shouldn't stop now. So TVIX signal to buy was right here at 37.45. Now, as I taught in class last night, we don't buy stocks under $3. If you mention PTIE in the room, I'm kicking you out. How about that? At $1.90. Okay? I don't need to hear it. I didn't like it at $1.60. I told you we didn't do it at $1.75. I don't want it at $1.90. It's not the day for that. It's the day to buy the 37.45 on on Mr. TVIX. Now, as I teach in MOJO University, everything is about the level 2. How did I know the stock was going to do this today on the chart right here and go bang, 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 bang? How did I know that? Because the level 2 told me. And it was already up this morning, as I showed you, $3.38, up 9%. I knew it was going 20%. I knew what the Dow would do, go down and go test 25,000. It did. It went under. So that's the play at 928. And one of my buddies, subscribe to my channel if you like what I talk about, first of all, please. Give me a like. And let me play one of my trader. All right, so that was really cool. So today was a great day, and we bought it at 37, and we made that big move. So right here, we're going to squeeze only the 37.45. So if you went up to all these people that teach how to day trade for a living, they would tell you not to buy right here. Up $3.38 with a large seller on the offer looking to sell shares. They all tell you not to do that. And if you follow those people, you did not do that trade, a 37.45. 37.54 starts selling, sold 54, sold 64, and we're rebuying back what we sold. And then we got right here 297, 298, 299, selling staff 304, 309. The Dow is down 130 points. I'm calling it down 500. TVIX 200. That's my target. $200. It's at 40. Here's TVIX 37.98 going through 38 for the buy. For the buy with a big ask of 142 at 38. There's the signal. Focused on the Hines. Boom. It Hineses. Catch up everywhere. Dow's going to be down 500. That's my call. Best room around, period. Thank you, sir. Staff doing well. Long 37.77 to 82 into 38. Target 40. $50 tomorrow. It's $40.20 right now. My target is 40 today, 50 tomorrow. I called it at 9:37 a.m. before it ever made the move higher into any kind of $38. Okay? It's going higher. How do I know this? Because I've been day trading the market for 25 years. Longer. Most people that are teaching are in when Trump came aboard. And the market went from 15,000 to 25,000. So within the last year, year and a half, you've seen nothing but it go up. Someone made a lot of money. I have a long-term target of 100, yes. 37.30 right here, sold 44 from a 22 average. Great trade, beautiful. Right there, I have made $276 on the small account. 3 accounts traded today. 276 total P&L, 283. That right now lies at 437 for the small. 293. It's the TradeX platform that the guys are trading on. Not bad. Then Tom made $402. And then we're going to trade it again. 38.11 at Hines. Brilliant. Long overdue. You better believe it. I know a thing or two about a thing or two. 38.66 average. Everyone's still in the stock. 200 left in the small account. You called it. He said, wow. As soon as someone says, wow, it's going higher. 38.75, buy. He said, wow, it's going higher. Up 250 on the day. He made his goal. Trader Chief. Great job. Great job, Trader Chief. Soon to be Pro Trader Chief. Pro Trader Tom made his first $1,000 day ever. Congratulations. Congratulations. And she is, I don't know if you can call TVIX a she. It's more like a beast. A she beast, maybe. It's like a monster. No, it's like a monster. It takes off crazy. Unreal. Hines 38. Look, it's 39. It's 39. We just did it right here at 38. It just went straight up to 39. I told you it's going to 40. 39.17. I got 3,000 shares left. Coaching the team, telling you, look, to buy it right here at 38. So let's say you just came into the room, it's 9:48, and I say, look, Heinz, right now, $39. You would buy 1,000 shares. Boom. Buy it. 39,000 in buying power. Done. Okay? Boom. 39. Selling. You're up right there. I told you to sell some right there. So sell 500 at 39.19. Okay? Boom. And then you got another one. So I'm up 14.75. Unrealized 800. It's 39.26 by 30. And I'm telling you, look, we'll sell a little bit more right up here at 39.40. Mike is done for the day, 5:49, but he wasn't done for the day. I had to give him a couple extra Benjamins. Then he was done for the day. Great picks, tagged along some UV and some TV, made $2,425 on that trade on the large, 293 on the small. And the big account, what I trade with big money, is coming up, $40,000. Watch. Awesome job. So here's the small account challenge. I bought 100 at 37.29 and tapped it. Then another 100. This was my entry position. 100, 100, 100, 100. And then it dropped. So I bought 500 and then it dropped right here. I got filled on 500 and then it went up. So I bought more on the way up and I had 4,000. So I sold 1,000, sold 1,000, sold 1,000, sold 500, sold 300, sold 100, and my last sale was $37.59. $37.59. And that made me right there $293. I'll take that. Awesome for a small account challenge. What program do I use? The TradeX platform, that is, for the small accounts that I have for the guys that could start with as little as $500, and you get 6-to-1 buying power, no PDT rule. It's just like Short Trader, but instead of doing 100 shares like this for $5, that costed me a nickel. So a nickel, a nickel, a nickel, a nickel, and a nickel to buy all those shares. And then to sell the 1,000 is $5, $5, $5, $2.50, and so forth. It's on a per share basis. And the new traders that are in the program, I get them set up on that. Look, TVIX is headed towards 41. And I get the new traders that I'm teaching, MOJO University now. I'm teaching live at 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. every single day. You just saw my class from last night where I called the Dow to go down. And that's what I'm doing for this week. 1 week of MOJO U. Dow's down 224, headed more, headed down 300. Okay? 39.55 new high on TVIX. 39.62. It's going to 40. Accuracy is just crazy. And then I told everyone to buy Dow puts because the Dow's going to go under 25,000. And it did. So if you trade options, you could be in the room making a fortune on diamond puts when the Dow's under 25,000. And it did. So Van Eck on September 30th, now that I had time to breathe, Van Eck has already applied 3 times for a Bitcoin ETF. Check it out. So Van Eck right here tries for a 3rd time for the Bitcoin ETF. My prediction, as I have been spot on, is the market's going to correct right here and go down 5,000 points to go test 20,000. And then go to 17,777, the ultimate stop. And then it'll be in a range from 17,500 to 25,000 for all of 2019. And the money that flows out of the stock market is going to go into the crypto with Van Eck trying the 3rd time's a charm. The first time, they were like, yeah, I want to do a Bitcoin ETF. That's what it was. DGAS, just times 21. Look. DGAS, Heinz 21 with a signal at 2104, a 320, going higher live on the MOJO show. I put that into the room. Oh, 320, flip to the bid now. No, now he flipped back to the ask. There he is, 2104, 320 on DGAS. Signal, DWT. I'll put this, I won't put it in because I don't want to jump ahead, but I'll put it right here. Here's what I was going to put in the room right there's the signal at 2104 on DGAS right there. And DWT new high at 8. So Van Eck is trying for the third time to get a Bitcoin ETF going for a hefty cost of $200,000 price, bringing in the big boys. That's going to open up the doors because right now, here's what happens. It's a law of supply and demand. Okay. Here's what happens. You got supply and demand. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And right now, when Bitcoin made that run to 19,000, the retail and some institutions went in for the first time, and the demand went up real high. Real high. The demand went, and it went to 19,000. And then they all got in, and they're not buying again. They may average down, which they probably did at 12 or whatever, but some of the big boys are in. Okay? So there is no demand any longer. The miners are supporting the ecosphere of blockchain crypto, and some of them have to pay the bills. Some of them are holding. Genesis Mining and some of these Ambit and some of the other ones that I've been watching closely on YouTube, have been mining Ethereum and holding it, waiting for it to go back to 1,000. Well, they just got punished. Just like I kind of did, but I didn't have a lot into it. And Ethereum dropped in half. So it had extended their mining timeline longer than they expected. They're not going to stop mining. It's just going to be a longer timeline. So right now the miners are selling when they mine, turning it into US dollar to pay bills, keep the operation going. That's a big supply. But there's no demand. Van Eck gets approved. What happens? There's more demand now than the supply of miners that are slowly non-hodling out the coins. They can't hodl because they got to pay the rent and the bills and the electric and the cooling. There's some things that I'm doing right now that are going to revolutionize the industry of mining. And I speak to people like this publicly traded company right here that I spoke to yesterday. Right here, I'll show you the text. I said to him, his name is his initials are PG. It's so funny. Look, I said, you still, how's the mining going? You still mining? How's it going? No mining. He didn't even spell it correctly. He goes, I said, the goose is dead. Look, he goes, no mining. I said, the goose is dead. Cook. The idea's still there, but making money requires a little bit of capital. I don't want to start down that road until we have funding secured. I said, I figured out a way to eliminate the electricity. If you're interested, let me know. And he's not interested. He said, working on it doesn't matter until we have money. They have no money. But I figured out a way to eliminate and cut that cost of electricity in mining. That's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. You know what also I got going on? Check this out. So I'm always thinking, man. I'm thinking big, always. So I go to lunch. Let me go to my camera. I go to lunch, and I'm thinking big, always. And I'm like, check this out. Imagine if my GPUs were in like a case like this. So I'm in BurgerFi. Check this out. Imagine if this was the box for
That's a Dyson hand dryer.
You had them all lined up in there. Watch.
Look at that wind, man. Dude, if that shit was blowing inside where the graphics cards were.
Holy, dude, my hand, look at my hair in my hand, dude. It's like blowing cold air like that on my mining rigs, on the GPUs, would be sick. Telling you right there, dudes. That's what I'm talking about. I was showing, there's my photo album. We put some photos in there. See, this is my Mustang. That's my crib. Showing everybody in the Mojo. You make $500 every day. Anyone can live in a house like that. It's $10,000 a month right there. You have a pool right there. That's my two dogs. That's Roro and Remy. Bobo and Remington. Mr. Remington and Bobo. Rory and Remy. And that's the Shack Daddy right there. MFH, baby. See? And as we got the photo album. There's Ramey right there. Yo, Tommy! There's Ramey, dude. Dude. I'm gonna kick your ass, Ramey. You freaking steal my thunder, bro. Every day I call the picks. You come in the room and steal my freaking thunder, bro. Oh my, I'm gonna kick your ass, Ramey. Steal my picks and my thunder, bro. Don't steal it, bro. Better not. Better not steal my thunder, kid. My boy, I know. You miss me and you miss me so much. I know the Mojo. Oh, I know. This is my boy. This is Bobo Schnare. What's up, Bobo Schnare? My man. So there's the Remington. There's G. That's Pro Trader Gerardo. He could teach the Mojo U in Spanish. He's a Spanish-speaking South Beach. What's his name? Mike. What's his name? This guy? His name is Rory. This guy. This got pictures of other dogs we got in the room and other people's setups and stuff. And this is the photo album, man. Come join the Heinz. See, everyone does the Heinz. There's the mining farm when it first started right there, building it out. Look at that. 5, 10, 15, but I didn't have none of the cards in them. I just got them ready. Now they're all filled. There's my next warehouse. See that? See the doors? Everyone will have sick-ass, blow-ass fans on there. Blowing that air right out. Blowing it right out, baby. That's what I got going on right there. Look at that. Could fit a lot of mining rigs in there. A lot of rendering. A lot of high concentrated hash rate to do video rendering, surveillance. I can really, one of my goals, what I'd like to do is control a smart city. Have enough computing power segmented that I could run an entire smart city. Like they come to me for everything. The surveillance, the trafficking, the data, every single thing with them computers. And I got a team of computer science gurus like my buddies, Thaddeus, if you're listening. You'll be working right in there, discovering the next best thing. And in the back, we'll be producing the electricity for like free. And I can't tell you how we're going to do that, but we are. Because that's my secret. And look at this big, huge place. Perfect. Perfect for mining. Look at the doors. Just welcoming holes, big ones, to have huge fans that just... Oh. Last night, I'm like, I go into the bathroom and I turn the you know, I've got 3 light switches. I turn it on, the fan goes on. I'm like, oh, that's such a sweet sound right now. I love that fan sound. Oh. $40 Heinzen right there. So we got the beautiful doors right there. There's the MOJO setup right now at my office. Where I'm sitting right now is that. See, I got all that going on. Same setup. Got all that going on right now. Three monitors. I'm mining on one right there, on the far one. Mining right there. I got the Dosh Trader on that one in the MOJO room. On that one. Oh, look. S4, my first four mining rigs. You want to know something beautiful that a lot of people can't say they have done and do? This is my first mining rig and my second rig and my third rig. They're paid off. I've made so much money on the first 5 machines. These are all paid off. These have like 3 months to go. These have 2 months to go. And these have 2 months to go. Like that. Actually, this is like 5 months. This is like 4 months. And then this is, no, this is like longer. It's longer, I'm sorry. So this is like 8 months. This is 9 months. And then the next rack is 10 months. And each month, I have a whole rack that's coming off Launchpad. So every little freaking drop of coin. Let me erase all these lines. Let's put some coins in. So right now, all these coins, they're all spitting out coins. These are all free coins. So it's going in my little pocket, in my little bucket of coins. Right there. There's my little bucket of Ethereum and Loki and Smart Cash and all that shit. And then this bucket, I take for every coin, for every 1 coin, I was, in the past, for every 1 coin, taking half of it and moving it to pay electricity costs and to run the operation. But I don't do that no more. I just hold them. So every 1 coin now, it goes in the kitty. Because I figure if I could say, yo, I got your back. Yo, I got your back. And yo, I got your back. You just keep it running. Whatever the electricity, it doesn't matter. Because my target on Ethereum is 1,000. If Ethereum goes to $1,000 by the end of 2019, see all these coins down here? This is 1 Ethereum a day. So this is 20 Ethereum a month, 240 Ethereum a year. So by the end of this year, I'll have about, let's say, 250 Ethereum. at $1,000 each is $250,000. So right now I have his back and his back and his back because we know it's going to be worth $250,000. Just these guys. So I got their back. $40 TVIX Hines. Told you. Sell it. 40.04, 40.09. And that's what we're figuring out and doing. It doesn't matter what the coins do at this point. Ooh. And there's the Stang in the garage. The Stang in the garage. The Mustang likes the garage. Hard to get in there, but we like the garage. Gerardo hitting goals. I just like looking at the photo album and the profit album. It's a very nice thing.
A couple miles back.
Watch. Watch. Want to see me Hines this shit out of this guy? Take him right to 11. Right through 40. Watch. 39.80. 85. 90. Entry. Filled 500 shares. 92. 93. 94. 95 right here. 1,000. Nailed him. I'm long 1,500. Okay? 8,500 right here. Load it up. 8,500 filled, 10,000 shares. Here we go. It's running through 40. 40.06, sold half. 40.08, 40.11. I'm selling 19 right now. I got the extra. Boom. That was sweet. See how I did that? I taught that last night too. Want me to see me do it again? This is how you Hines. It happens fast. Boom, 90 filled, entry 1. 92, 93, 94. Right here, load it up, 95. Ready? Boom, boom. Hit him twice. Filled 1,000, long 1,500. Get ready for the big one. Here it goes, 7,500 off the tree. Load it up. Boom, nailed him. 7,500 filled. Now it's running. It's running. It's running. It's running. I'm profit. I'm profit. If it touches 11, I get 19. There it is. Sick. Love it, man. Love it. I do it all day long. I do it all day long. Allen just sold at 29 right there. See that? 40.29. Now he's selling at 40.34. Amazing. Love that. Love that. University class 3 o'clock. 40.44 be flat. That's what I'm teaching today in class, is the stopping stations and the numbers. Wait till you see today's class. You ain't going to believe it. You ain't going to believe how good today's class is. So we figured out how to trade the market and make money every day. Van Eck's going to take Bitcoin to the next level. And then me and Mike made another 100. Now he's seriously done. Okay. Tom made 880, but then he gets to 1,000. He gets to a beanstalk. Tommy gets to a beanstalk. He didn't know who Tommy was. Now he does. 40.50. Just mini Hines with a signal right there at 54 or 158. He disappeared, but he's there right now. So we got the TVIX making the move at 40.81, headed to $41. Watch. Azol, new trader to the room, brand new. Make $824 today. Make it sick and awesome, dude.
Yeah. Well, yes. Yeah.
And then we got hit his goal, Trader Chief. Oh, Trader Chief, baby. 15 minutes, hit his goal. Sweet, freaking amazing. We're the freaking best. Who says, oh, I hear UPS outside. Let me see. It's 11. I think UPS is here. Let me go see. Hold on. something good, though. There's the signal at 455. See the 18,025? It took it out in one shot right there. 18,025 shares in one shot at 4055 signal right there on TVIX. Told you. People fear what they don't understand. It's unbelievable. Who says Mojo's the shit? Everyone. Dude, give me a break. Mojo's the best. 4075. What a call. Mike's the Rain Man. Look at that, baby. 4084 headed to 41. Beautiful. Hines right there. 4090. Get ready. Get ready. I'm telling everyone, just get ready. Hold. Here it goes. You ready? Boom. 4132. Start selling. Start selling. My gosh. Sold 4139, 4144. Stop me, Mike. Mike made another 100. I keep on throwing the Benjamins at Mike. Unreal. Another $300 for Azol. Blanco 533. Allen 2,270. Michael, hopefully, yes, finally done. I didn't touch it after that with you. Is 710 on the day. That's a run rate of 10,000 a month easily. What do you think about that, buddy? What do you think about that? I know. It's awesome, right? Right, bud? You're such a delicious boy. You are delicious. Oh, those loving kisses are just incredible. Gerardo, $835. Amazing. Now it's $460. Look at that. Amazing. Tom hit $1,000 for the first time in a month. Congratulations, buddy. Dude, you're like the whole smash. There you go. There you go. Nice job. Great feeling. Yeah, boys. Tommy 2 times. That's why you met Tommy today. Madron, $203 profit. Stevo, $290 profit at 10:07 a.m. Mar, 10:07 a.m., $1,112 profit. And then, this is Tommy, the first time. Listen, he called the market to go down. The market, so it's very important. Yeah, high five. What? He is. He's good shit. He's good shit, buddy. I gave him a new pair of shoes. Yeah. Out there. Important one because Tommy's calling official. Top to the market, so it's very important that we take advantage of it. Signal at 470 now. See it? 131. Thank you so much. Just blew through it. 75 now. Amazing, Mike. Oh, man, that's nice. Oh, yeah, excellent. There's Tommy. Hey, Tommy. Awesome haul at 55.51 on the market, dude. Awesome. Sweet. Tommy, remember? Hi, Rainy. Rainy's my... Hi, Rainy. Hi, buddy. Hi, Rainy. Dude, you're taking up the whole thing, dude. Get out of the way. He called UVXY. Just sit here and be quiet. Nice pick on the top of the market. In 2017. Nice. Now he called it today in 2018. It's amazing. On the money. He is. He's good shit. Good shit. Good shit, buddy. I gave him a new pair of shoes, dude. Look at them kicks, Rams. Look at them. Kickies. Love that. 66 with the UV call. UV. Did it last year, did it this year. What was the date? 9/29 of last year. Similar, 1 year ago almost. I think so. Maybe in September now that we will get that big, huge down. Show you what we've done for the day. Because it happened a month earlier. There's Rainy right there, see?
There he is.
So that's the date. Mike's the man. The Dow's done nothing. Dow's got nothing on the Mojo. Was able to get in today. TV's too rich for me, but my small IRA made $150. Then Able had a signal up there at 35, but it never went through it. Then it had a signal to go lower at 520, and it did. Then we had new higher days. Jump to the present. DWT pick was right here. DWT 805. Dow's down 300. Buy it at 807, 808, 809. DWT is making a move. First bar on DWT at 809. It's a gonzo with a big old ask right there of 3,334,000 shares on the ask at 810. I bought that one and put the account on the small side to $434. Then it goes 811. Mojo's the freaking best. Then it goes 818. And this was my trade right here on my large. I'll show it to you on a stock hoot. 741,000 cash available. Right here. 741,000 cash available, closed positions. Right here, TVIX, target price. I'll rebuy it back after today, but I had a rush. I just put in 200. I bought it right at Heinz, $39 as a hedge. Put in the big money, 700,000. Closing price, 41.36 for 6% and $42,000 profit on TVIX this morning. The big dollars. The big dollars. So we have big dollars, 40,000. Other dollars like these right here, $3,425. And then the other account, $493. I'm trading the 3, and there's the Dow down 307. We just did tremendous today, and we got Jigs in the room coming in with the Jiggy. Hello. That's it, boys. That's what we do. That's what we did today. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood because we do the Mojo Show. The Mojo Show. That's the way. We do the Mojo Show. What else we got? Let's see who's in the room. Members. Ooh, we got now some people left. Maybe some people actually have a life and they make money in the morning and then they leave. Like I'm going to go to the Mojo mining farm and do some exhaust work and shifting around. I got some tubing coming today. I'm going to try to do some exhaust figure outing. And I got 4 more graphics cards to install today. So that's what I do in the afternoon. But what are these guys doing? Pro Trader Free Republic. Pro Trader Klopp just renewed his annual yesterday, the day before. Pro Trader Matter. See this guy? He's been with me since 2012. Look, last time we spoke was Merry Christmas. 2016, dude. See that? That's Mr. Matter, dude. He's been here a long, long time. Who else been here a long time? Hopper. Been here a long time, man. When's my first thing? Hopper. 210 of 2017 when I first started that room. $40.74, man, on freaking. That shit hasn't stopped, dude. Since Heinz and $40 right here. It hasn't stopped. Five-minute chart. Heading up into rail grind. You got it right here at the third, right at 40. Right off that bottom loop on the stochastics off 0%. So right at 0% right there was your second scale in at 40.20. Added up at 40.30. And now it's freaking to the moon. To the moon. HRL 3777 V-band spiking. It's called Hormel Foods. 3780 buy, 3785, 90, and heading in right into $38. Hormel Foods. Symbol HRL. Symbol is Hormel. HRL. 37, 80, 85, 90, 95, and $38. Sequence. It's a 4-buy sequence. 100, 100, 200. That's 1, 2, 4, and then a 600. I do the last one at 6. 1, 1, 2, 6. Or 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 6,000. One of the two. Man, I'm getting so many phone calls. It's fucking crazy. There he is. Hey, what's going on, Bubba? Pretty good, pretty good. Hold on, let me do a little 10-second interrupt on the show here for a second. And then I'm going to end it soon. No, hold on. All right, bye. 40.90. On that one. All right, very good. Good day today. Nice show, good day. Everybody's happy. We're the freaking best. If you want to come and join, right up there, you see it? There's all my handle. YouTube, Pro Trader Mike, Twitch, MOJO Day Trading, MOJO University courses, all of everything available at mojodaytrading.com. Woohoo! Look at that TVIX today, boys. I'm gonna go enjoy the day. Let's see here. Here's my my journal. Ooh, I didn't do day 5, but I increased it. Let's see what I got. Ooh, that means UPS is here. UPS is here, guys. See you tomorrow. Here we go. Later, guys. You're down. Adios, amigos.